Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to speed up a video here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Speeding up a video in Adobe Express is a simple process that can be useful for various creative and practical reasons. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the templates, wherein you can browse designs of photos, videos, text, and more, or you just hover down here. But if you want, you can simply click the start from your content. You can upload your own file and start from there. Now, in my case, I'm going to start with this design. Okay. I'm going to add a new page. And I'm going to hover to the left side panel of my dashboard and click the elements. In the elements, there's going to be an option for go to the media. Right. And we have like 4 tabs. I want you to click on the videos. Now, I'm going to select this video right here, the fire, and the girl right here. Okay, so let me just work this out for now. Maximize this. You know what? I'm going to delete this one. Then I'm going to work with the here. Right. And then going again to the media. I'm going to select the same video earlier. Like this one. I'm gonna put it at the back and then add another media here for the video. I believe we have the fire going on, so that's gonna be the background lit, right? I'm gonna put it at the back, very back. Now, for you to be able to speed up the video, all I'm gonna do is select the video that I wanted to speed up. Right, there is an option here that says speed. All right, if you want to speed up like 200%, you can do that. You can also do that on the second video right here. Speaking about the hold on, let me just check the video. There you go. You can speed up like 150. This is 200%, and this is gonna be like 150. Now let's try to play all of it. You can show your layer timing to see if the image has blended together. You see that the fire and the woman dancing has been sped up, right? So these are going to be your options. So after doing so, scrub it again to the very end. If you feel like this is going to be a perfect design that you wanted to download, all you're going to do is go to the upper right corner, click on download, and these are going to be your options. You can download this in MP4, PDF, JPEG, or maybe transparent PNG. Now, if you want to share this amazing sped up video on your client or with your boss, just click the share button. If you wanted to share this to multiple collaborators, you can do that as well. Click the anyone will click and copy that link. If you want to save a copy on your cloud, you might want to click on these options. You can save to Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. All right, because as you can see, speeding up certain scenes can create a funny, exaggerated effect, often used in comedy skits. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.